What's going on, everybody? How you doing? I'm Brian. This is Angling Anarchy, and usually I'd be coming at you from a lake, and that was the plan. Nate and I went up to northern Wisconsin to chase giant walleyes on a really small body of water. Now Nate has been up there and had really good success, upper 20, 28, 29-inch walleyes, and that was not in the cards for us. We spent 2 days, probably 15, 16 hours, and it was just high skies, high pressure, super, super cold temps. And we were just not able to come up with anything other than a couple of flags and a little walleye. And then the last day we were up there, we tried fishing for pike, and we couldn't even manage to do that right. It was just one of those weekends where everything went wrong, but a couple cool things came out of it. If you've watched a couple of the other videos, you know I like fishing with the Arctic Warrior tip-ups. I just think it's way more fun to fight the fish on a rod. I like the way once the flag trips, you can pick up the rod and there's no resistance that the fish feels. So I wanted to fish with those, and with the cold temps that we had, like I said, we were dealing with negative 20, 24 degree Fahrenheit temps. So one of the cool things that came out of this trip was, just these simple little boxes I built. They're about 6 inches high by 10 by 10, and they've got a little slit here for the line to go in. Put a little candle in there, and it kept the hole wide open. So that was a win. That was a good thing that came out of this trip. But other than that, it was a rough fishing trip. And I know we've all had that, and a lot of the times that just doesn't make the cut on a video, but it does this week because I really don't have much else. I shouldn't say that. I've got some cool stuff from this past summer that I'll be getting out, but every now and again, as fishermen, we go out and have a super good plan and really think we're going to nail it, and it just doesn't happen, and that was definitely this week. Not to say we didn't have a blast, because we did. Anytime you can get out and fish, regardless of what weather it is and how you do, it's fun just to be out. So we had that going for us, but the fish were definitely not helping us out. But so that being said, I don't know. Here's a little bit of us getting our butts kicked in northern Wisconsin in really frigid temps. All right, so we've been set up for a little bit now. We're just gonna go around, make sure the holes are staying open. It's about 4 o'clock, so we're hitting go time here. But I just want to show you kind of what our little setup is here. We've got Arctic Warriors, which are awesome little tip-ups because we can use rods instead of just handing the fish. And we built these little boxes here, and that water is nice and open. We got a little tea candle going in there. You can see the smoke coming out. But yeah, these are just little 10 by 10 boxes, about 6 inches tall. We got a tea candle, and I just cut a little hole in a soda can so it keeps it nice and warm in there, because again, it's -4, -5 out right now. All right, well, so far the fish have not been cooperating, but we are dealing with high pressure, bluebird skies, and really, really cold temps. So probably not the best thing in the world for what we're doing, but yeah, I don't know. This is going to be a night bite, hopefully, because it sure hasn't been a day bite. But yeah, we're going to stick it out for a while and be out here till, who knows, 10 o'clock, midnight. Maybe we'll just sleep in the truck. We'll see what happens. All right, well, I guess all I had to do was go outside and talk about how we hadn't gotten a flag yet, and we got a flag. Oh, okay. I'm a little nervous here. Nate's gonna take her though. Oh, there she goes. Just took out a little bit. Starts running. Yeah. Oh, I'm nervous. It did take out a little line when we walked up to it, though. Yeah. You give her? Got her? Not very big. All right. Well, that is a baby, but it's a start. Get this sucker minnow. Probably reuse him. Well, nice little Walter. So, start. Yep.
That's probably not what I should have done.
There you go.
You want to just put on a new one so we have plenty of bait?
See how he swims around. He's still swimming. He's good.
All right.
Oh, it's coming up to it.
That is.
Is he gonna trip it? Is it on it right now?
Yeah. It's...
Really?
It just kind of pulled down below.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there's fishies down there.
All right. Did you want to light the candle before?
Yeah. That was funny.
Thank God there's no wind.
Oh God, yeah.
It would be fucking terrible.
Yeah.
That fish is there again. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Right below the...
Yeah. Oh, he's on it.
Well,
We'll just let him sit there. Oh, there is a fish right there, though. Come on. All right, we'll just let him hang out. All right, well, the same one that we just got the little guy on popped up again, but that is the one that we had a fish. As soon as we put it back down, a fish came right up to it. We saw it on the Vexlar. Hopefully this one's a little bit bigger.
You don't want this one?
Oh, I suppose. All right, well, see what we can do here. Uh-oh. There we go.
You see it take out any line yet?
I haven't, no. Nobody home.
Yeah. Well.
stripped us.
All right, let's get it back.
All right. Shoot. That's kind of a bummer. Hey, Nate, we got one. Get the camera. Nate, camera. I heard that one pop up.
Taking on any line?
It was. It was. It's so cold out here. This line just is terrible. Oh, feels like a nice fit. Oh, no, it came off. No, 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 no. Oh, guys, that is a bummer. That felt like a nicer fish. Oh, okay. All right, it's happening. This one got fucking spined. God. All right, well, we got our butts absolutely kicked. I mean, we were sort of swinging for the fences out here. We were looking for one or two big walleyes, and all we did was run across one little guy. Lost what we think is a nice fish. I mean, that rod was bent over pretty good, so that was a bummer. But it's been 4 hours without anything happening, and I think we're going to call it a night and try again tomorrow. I mean, the problem with it being so cold is we would usually move stuff around a lot more, but it's just, you just kind of have to camp out on a spot and hope something swims by. So it's currently -21, so we are going to pick up, get some sleep, come out here tomorrow and try this again. Maybe move around to a couple of different spots out here, but yeah, that's the plan. So we are going to wrap it up for tonight and give it a shot tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully something happens that's a little bit better. Good night. All right, well, I'm using a different camera to film this because the other one, the battery died on because it's so cold out. And clearly, I haven't looked at myself in a mirror yet, but I feel a bit frosty. We got 4 rods out. I mean, this camera's not even working anymore, it's all frosted up. So, we'll see what we can do. And yeah, hopefully we can catch a fish or two for you guys to enjoy. Hopefully this is worth it. Nate's trying to not kill himself walking up there. All right, let's see what happens. All right, same one went up. I don't see it taking any line though. No. It's there though.
Got him. Okay. There he is. All right. Well, it's just nice to catch a fish after getting our butts kicked walleye fishing. I don't care if it's just a little guy. All right, well, it is so cold out, we can't have them out for that long, but we'll get them back in here, get set up again. Wow.
Well, something.
That's, yeah, at least it's something. Whew. Oh wow, well that's a wrap on northern Wisconsin ice fishing. That sucked. We were kind of shooting the moon on the walleyes. We were going for a big one. Nate has gotten them, him and his buddies have gotten them, and we just hit it wrong. The weather was terrible. Those are the coldest temps I've ever fished in. And gosh, we couldn't even get a pike this morning, so yeah, that was tough. If you've made it this far, I appreciate it, and you must be a glutton for punishment, because that was rough. Alright, well, that's it. There's nothing else to say. That was rough. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.